Subtraction using a place value math with regrouping. Here I have 35 minus 17. To subtract, you have to know that you have mommy number, which is a big number, and it comes before the minus sign, and the baby number. This is the baby number, which has the scissors, and each time the baby take away from his mommy using these scissors. So first I have to put the places starting from the right, ones and tens, and here I write ones and tens. Then we have to represent the mommy inside these mats. Here I'm talking about numbers, I'm not talking about money, so we will represent the ones digits using small squares, and we represent the tens using bars, and represent the hundreds using blocks. So here I have 35, it consists of 5 ones. So how many small squares will you draw? They will be 5. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many tens do you have now? I have 3 tens. So how many bars will you draw? It will be 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is the mommy number. Now I will go to the baby each time and ask him, how many do you want to take away from your mommy? So we will go first to the baby. How many ones do you want to take away? I want to take away 7. But poor mommy, she doesn't have. She has only 5. So how can mommy make it? Mommy will go to the neighbor, will go to the tens, and ask her to give her or borrow her 1 10. So kind 10 will give her 1 10. Take this 10 and put inside your house. But can it enter from the door? No. This 1 10 should be regrouped into 10 ones. So I will regroup this 1 bar into 10 small squares. So here I will draw 10 small squares inside the ones place. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now mommy has enough ones to give them to the baby. Now baby wanna take away 7. Okay, we will cancel 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What is the leftover now in ones? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here I will draw 8 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here I have 8 in ones. Then we will go to the baby again and ask him, how many tens do you want to take away? I want to take away 1. So it will use its scissors to cut out from mommy 1 10. So what is the leftover here in tens in mommy? It has only 1. So we will draw here 1 bar. And the answer now is what? The answer is 18. Here I regrouped 10 ones, 1 10 to make them 10 ones. Let's see another example. If I have 40 minus 23, first of all, I have to put the places starting from the right, ones and tens, and ones and tens. I have minus sign so that you know that you have mommy, which will be represented inside this mat, and the baby. The baby has its scissors, and it will cut out from his mommy. So we will draw the mommy number, which is 40. I have here 0 in 1. So how many ones will you draw? Nothing. And I have 4 in 10. So how many bars will you draw? It will be 4. So I will draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 bars because I have 4 tens. Then we will go to the baby. Hello baby, how many ones do you want to take away? I want to take away 3. So it will go to mommy to cut out or to take away 3. But poor mommy, she doesn't have. So what shall she do? She will go to the kind neighbor and ask her to borrow her 1 10. So it will take 1 10 from here and regroup it inside the ones place into what? Into 10 small squares or 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the baby wanna take away 3, so we will cut out 3. Mommy now has enough ones, so we will cut out 3. 1, 2, and 3. What is the leftover now with mommy inside its house? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we will draw here 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now mommy has 7 in ones. Then we will go again to the baby. Baby, how many tens do you want to take away? I want to take away 2. So we will cut out 2. 1 and 2. Now mommy has how many tens? It has only 1. So I will draw only 1 10 here. And now the answer is 17. If we have example like 627 minus 473. First, we will put the places also starting from the right, ones, tens, and hundred. And here I will write ones, tens, and hundreds. This math will be for the mommy. And what about the baby? The baby in minus has its scissors and it will take away from his mommy. So we will represent this 627. Here I have 7 in 1. So how many small squares will you draw? It will be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many tens will you draw? There will be 2. 1 and 2. And how many blocks inside the 100? They are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So they are 6 in 100. Now we will go again to the baby. Hello baby, how many ones do you want to take away? I want to take away 3. So it will use its scissors to go to the mommy. But mommy here has enough ones, so we don't need to regroup. I will cut out 3. 1, 2, and 3. What is the leftover of ones here? It's the R 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here I will draw 4 in ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And mommy still has 4 in ones. Then we will go again to the baby. How many tens do you want to cut out? I want to take away 7. Okay, use your scissors to cut out 7. Poor mommy, she has only 2. What shall she do? Here we will need to regroup also, but we will regroup this time 100 to make it 10 tens. You know that the one block of this makes me 10 pairs or 10 tens. So it will go to the kind neighbor and ask her to give her or to borrow her 100. It will give her 100. Take this 100, but to enter from the door, it will be regrouped into 10 tens. So here they will be 10 tens instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now baby can take away what he wants. Baby wanna take away 7, so we will cut out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now how many tens are there? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will draw here in the tens 5 bars. 3, 4, and 5. And mommy now still have 5. Then we will go again to the baby. Baby, how many hundreds do you want to take away? I want to cut out 4. So it will use its scissors to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now mommy has how many hundred? She has only 1 in 100. And now the answer is 154. Another example, 631 minus 369. As we know, in minus, we have mommy and the baby. This time, I will give the baby its scissors and go to the mommy to put the places. I have here ones, tens, 100, and here I have ones, tens, and 100. And we will represent the mommy number inside this mat. I have here 1 in ones and 3 pairs in tens. They'll be 3 and 6 in 100. So they will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So they are 6 in 100. So this time we will go to the baby again. Hello baby, how many ones do you want to take away? I want to take away 9. Mommy has only 1. So we will need to regroup 110 to be 10 ones. So it will go to the neighbor and ask her to give her 110. And here I will regroup this 10 to be 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now mommy has enough ones for the baby. The baby will cut out or it will take away 9. So we will cancel 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the leftover now? In ones, they are 2. 1 and 2. And mommy has 2 here in ones. So we will go again to the baby. How many tens do you want to take away? I want to take away 6. Mommy has only 2 here, so we will regroup again. We will borrow 110, 100 and regroup it to 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here I need to regroup 110 into 10 ones and 100 into 10 tens. Why? Because the mommy doesn't have enough entities inside each house. It's so easy. We will go again to the tens. We want to cut out 6. So we will cancel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the leftover now? Of tens, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we will draw here 6 in tens. And mommy still has 6 in tens. Then we will go again to the baby. How many hundreds do you want to take away? I want to take away 3. So it will go to the 100 house and cut out 3. 1, 2, and 3. What is the leftover now of hundreds? Mommy still has 1 and 2. So the answer should be 262.